Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my video. Today we are going to be doing Mimic Tunnel. I know. This is going to be the second video of doing Mimic Tunnel. But, it's got to be done. It's got to be done. I hate to do it. I hate because you get like 0 money. 0. Nada. You get nada money. You got like 0 money last time. Let's see how much different we can get this time. Alright. So let's get right into the video.
You already started?
Yes!
Yeah.
Alright. And then after this video. Oh my gosh. The lag is immeasurable, bro. Bro! Oh, I'm lagging so bad. Dude.
But the ball.
Dude, I'm lagging so bad. My lag is immeasurable.
Okay.
Alright, so basically, you just gotta go all the way through here.
Hey, watch out.
Oh no. Oh no. Shine the light! I can't see!
Woo. No, goodbye, friend.
It's not over here. It's not over here. Where could it be? Give me that light. 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 Where's the big flashlight? Hold on.
I'm ready.
James, where's that big flashlight?
Oh no, I don't have it.
Where's James?
Already dead. What? I die.
How?
Why are we here in Mimic?
Man, you suck.
It could have got sort of like a map, you know?
Oh my god.
Help!
I kind of lost.
On me.
I kind of lost my only way.
Oh, we're both cooked. Hello,
Kill it. Help! We have to kill him.
Bro, we just died in there.
Yo, just jump. Just jump him, guys. Let's just jump him. Get jump, boy. Get jump. Get jump. Get jump. Get jump. Get jump. Ah! Get jump. Get jump. Get jump. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck. Oh, nah. Obliterated.
What's up, buddy?
Get jump, boy. Ah!
Break this.
I died.
That's super sick.
We jumped them all.
Alright, everybody collect everything you see, bro.
I have one no booth out, so I be the tester.
Can y'all see my grappler? Because I don't...
Bro, they already spawned. Dude, just collect everything.
That one is the dancing. That one is the
Dancing.
dancing.
All the time, my radio, you're on my mind, and I don't know why.
No, he
But I
cool.
think I'm
No, he
feeling fine.
cool. Uh-oh, they're back. Oh,
Oh, he's already mad at you,
what
bro.
did I do? What did I do?
I guess you did everything, bro.
Jeez.
Yo, guys, we should just jump him again. You don't. Help! 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 Hey, orange monkey.
Ah.
Help!
Whoa! What did I
Help!
Where's my grappler? Where's my grappler? Another mega flash.
Jump at me! Come at me! Come at me, fool! You fool!
Ow, bro! Stop it! Oh my god! Where's my grappler? Does anybody have my grappler? Does anybody have my grappler? Does anybody have my grappler?
Yo, drop it, whatever we got. Drop whatever y'all got. Alright guys, come on, let's go. Let's go even deeper. Oh, that's it,
how
guys.
you exit.
Alright, wait, one last thing. Alright, go, go, go!
Bro, stop!
Oh, I'm low, guys. Stop hitting.
James, I don't like.
Alright, guys, this is gonna be a short video.
I hate you, James! I hate you, James! I hate you, James! Oh my god!
Alright, let's see how much money we get, bro. Don't hit me, bro. I'm low. Don't hit me.
He
I'm low.
just met. I'm low, bro!
That is absolutely not worth it, bro. That's about the same thing that we got from mines, bro. That actually sucks. Alright. See you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
James,
Yeah.
James,
Bye.
James!